So hello guys, as you all know that I have started my wedding shopping, and the most important thing in the wedding shopping are saris. So what I thought is it's a good idea to buy saris from online uh, brands which I trust actually. So I know I don't have expertise in this, but I wanted to just share my genuine experience with you, so I am making this video. And uh, I actually bought two sarees from a brand called India and IND by A, and one saree from Lotus Fab. So Lotus Fab is something that I knew the website since very long, and I used to just see the sarees, and in the videos, in the reviews and all, it was very good. So I thought let's buy one and see if it's good. Then I was going to buy one more basically, but after receiving the product, I don't think so I'm going to buy Lotus Fab sarees more. वैसे मेरे पास कुछ ऑप्शन है नहीं दूसरा. I will tell you why. So first I will show you the sarees. This is the saree which I bought from Lotus Fab, and I will show you the saree image which was there in the website also. If you can see here, it was like this, and what I have received is this. So the fabric is very bad. If you see, it's very bad. I don't know, it looks very cheap if you see. Okay, and the work is also like this. It looks cheap by the way. Means it's not something that you can wear, in any function or something, because it will look cheap. And yeah, this is how it is, and that's why I'm going to return this saree. But when I actually put return request, then they said that we have to buy one other saree from their website. We cannot get cash refund, and basically now I have to buy one more saree from them, and I have to return this myself by speed post. So this is how this saree looks. This is not good quality, right? I don't know in the video if what I'm saying is justifiable, but I will tell you that once you receive this saree, you will not going to wear it. So yeah. Then I bought two sarees from a brand called India, and I had bought one more saree 2 years back from this brand, and it was very good. So I thought, okay, let's buy two more sarees. I wanted to wear on some occasions. So first thing, I think my mistake, I thought it is going to become as pre-stitch, but it didn't come as pre-stitch, and it came with pre-stitch blouse though. This was this I selected, so I don't think so that there's a problem with that. But this is how the blouse is, and the saree is like this. So the saree is actually how they have shown in the picture, but the thing is the quality seems little bit off, I can say, and maybe because it's traveled through so many destinations and all, maybe because of that, maybe because it's not pressed and all, it is looking like this. But I'm going to try to wear this and see how it is looking on me. Okay, so I will let you know about this. And the other saree which I am going to show you is this. So first let's see the blouse. This is the blouse. Okay, this is the blouse. It's pretty much heavy work wala blouse, and the saree is like this. So if you see this saree in the picture, you will not you will not expect this if you see it in the picture. In the picture it's pretty good, and that's why I bought it. But now it has came like this, and the most disappointing thing I have observed here is this. ऐसे कौन साड़ी देता है यार, ये क्या है? ये इतना तो फिनिशिंग होना चाहिए रे, but this has came like this. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if they will get it, like take it again, return or not, because I have initiated request via their WhatsApp number, but there is no reply. So yeah, I'm going to wear these sarees and see how it is looking. I will show you.